secure yourself. Kompleto na yun. Kasi, kailangan na din yung pag-interview mo sa akin. Ha? Kaya mo ba akong interview?
I am.
Speak loud.
Kailangan na yun eh.
Ha?
Yeah.
Okay. It's okay na lang mag-ganong sundot. Tanongin mo rin ako kung gusto mo tanongin ako ng Taglish or Tagalog or English. As long as we can communicate, di ba? Are you okay? Okay. Good luck. Don't be afraid. No problem sa akin.
What made you decide to work for the government?
Me? Actually, this is my one of, not totally Irish. This is a call for me to decide to run as a barangay official. Since when I was a child, I don't dream like this. Pero in time of campaigning to other politicians, I try to ask myself how to be the same of them. Pero siguro, it's a call for me to run this, to run as a barangay official. Unfortunately, I ran as independent on the first time. I won. Yeah.
Question. How long have you been serving as a government officer?
How long? It's almost 80 years since I was elected. I started servicing as a barangay official since 2002 as barangay captain here in Nairobi. Until now, I serve as barangay official. This is my third term.
What made you stay that long?
I stay that long. Of course, this is my maybe because I won again. Okay. Nanalo ko ulit. I continue serving my constituents. Yes, I decided to stay again because I will finish my term.
What was your most unforgettable experience working for the government?
Okay. When I was I encountered some other constituents here who actually not favorable on my decisions. They sued me. Kumbaga, dinimanda ako nang wala akong actually kasalanan. In a way, sinali lang nila ako sa kaso. They filed me a case, administrative case, on the office of the DILG and Ombudsman. Unfortunately, hindi sila nanalo na dismiss yung kaso. Kaya, that's my unforgettable experience. I would like to serve only, pero nakaka-disappoint. Kasi gusto ko lang siyang mag-serve, pero gusto ko lang mag-serve sa mga constituency dito sa barangay. Kaya lang hindi ko ina-expect na dahil sa pagiging magandang intention ko, napapasama ako sa ibang tao. Kaya ngayon hindi ko makakita yung experience.
What did you use before you decided to be
Me, before I decided to become barangay officials, I worked in a private company.
Ay, ito, binibigyan na ito. Bumili lang sa akin.
I work in the ESPN. Channel 2. Yeah, I work in a show business. Being a talent coordinator and production assistant. I have talents, mga extras. And also, experience na also being a talent also. Show business. Movies, and television, like sitcoms. Are you familiar with Alibasa? You're not important at that time. Too young, actually. Another question.
Can you compare your
Comparing my job now, can I see the number one? Number na tayo. Three or two. Can I compare? Nasaan subject? Nasaan yung question? Can you compare your job then to that of becoming a coach? Actually, I should compare my job. Yung nakaraan. Right now, Nelly, tama ba yan? Actually, if I choose to, I'd rather to become, still, parang efficient sa public service. Mas gusto ko na to. I love this position right now. If ever na matapos man din ako dito sa pagiging public servant, sa public service, I will continue, siguro baka mag-apply ako bilang social worker. Para rin yung tao pa rin ng mga makakasalamuha kapag ang mga pagsaservisyohan.
Is it hard to be counselor?
No, it's not hard to become a counselor. It's an easy job, it's an easy task. Siguro, you must to attend twice a month attending the council meeting. That's only the big responsibility of becoming a official. And as of that, you just only came here when you are actually assigned as OIC of the day. What I mean is, ano ba yung OIC? Yung assign ka, meron kami responsibility dito. Meron kaming officer of the day. Ako ang naka-assign na tuwing Sunday as OIC. Kaya I should be here every Sunday as a kagawad assigned officer here. Kaya wala namang problema ito, wala namang mahirap pag sa pagiging official. Basta lang, lagi ka lang present sa mga meetings and also kapag may programs and project, dapat gagawin.
What? In our school, we call them motto, the religion attitude, which means to be a man. Yeah, I know if you have understand.
Ayan. Actually, ewan mo ito. Sounds corny. It's so good. Parang parang is to say is doing it. Parang if you don't, parang sinabi ko na dapat nga daw, di ba? Na may kasabihan, narinig mo na ba ito? May kasabihan na kailangan kapag nasa Diyos ang awa pero nasa tao ang gawa. Dapat tayo ang magkaroon ng initiative, diba? Kailangan tayo ang may determination. Kailangan magsumikap ka para lalo kung mag-gain, lalo kung maging successful. Diba? Yung motto ko. Kailangan sa akin yung work so hard para lalo ako maging blessed. Lalo maging successful.
What were your plans for your community when you were campaigning?
In the committee?
Community.
Community. My plans? Actually, I'm still what is my plans? What were your plans for your community?